It's that time of year where everybody's just a little bit Irish. Hey guys, welcome back to the Underground. St. Patrick's Day celebration here at the Underground is just rolling along. And today I'm gonna make a couple more drinks for you because it's St. Patrick's Day. You can't have too many options when it comes to partying and having a good time with your family and friends on St. Patrick's Day, the most Irish time of the year. I'm gonna make three more. First one, and these are real simple because the great thing about them is you make them all pretty much right in the glass. Well, two of them, and then one of them we're gonna make and put in a glass. So this is the Irish apple. Starts with some ice. And then we need a wee bit of the Irish. Your favorite Irish. We all know that this is the favorite Irish around here. But you use what you like. And then, since this is an Irish apple after all, we need a little bit of apple. And this one, I mean, this one could not be simpler. So it's one Irish whiskey and then 1.5, that was a little generous, half of sour apple schnapps. I might sneeze, so don't be alarmed. And then just a little bit of ginger ale. I need an opener. Any kind of ginger ale you like. This is happens to be a little bit of a hipster ginger ale that we have, but whatever you have will work naturally. Why not give it a little bit of a stir? A little bit of a garnish. And just like that, 40 seconds, the party is off and running with our first drink to celebrate St. Patrick's as the party continues with the Irish apple. Next up is another one that gets built right in the glass. And this is another Irish, and this one happens to be an Irish Gold. And for the Irish Gold, again, imagine that, we need Irish whiskey. For this one, it's going to be 2 Irish whiskey. Just made it. And then some peach schnapps. Interestingly enough, just a half peach schnapps and peach, a half I said. Sorry. Slainte. Half peach schnapps, a wee splash of OJ. I will say that is a splash. And then some more of our ginger ale. Just top it off with a little more ice. Another green straw. And then for this one, since we have some orange in there, a little bit of an orange twist that I've pre-twisted for your pleasure. And number 2, the party's moving along, guys. The party's moving along. You can't be hasteful on St. Patrick's Day. The Irish Gold. And finally, this is the one where, this is the one that requires a little bit of construction. This one is called an Emerald Crush, and it starts out with a very interesting ingredient, and that ingredient is 1/2 of a kiwi fruit. Yes, the kiwi is not necessarily what I would consider Irish, but today it is. And then I am gonna back that in with a little bit of lime juice half a lime, a splash of simple syrup. This is not my simple syrup that I want. Oh no, that would have made a very interesting drink. That was actually, I'm infusing some caramel vodka. I'm gonna put that much. Yeah, caramel and kiwi I don't think go too well together. And then we're just gonna bust up that kiwi a little bit. I probably should have done this without all the liquid in there, but we're getting there, we're getting there. There we go. And then just some vodka. Your favorite vodka, or in lieu of your favorite vodka, whatever vodka you have laying around. 2 ounces of that. This is more of a sophisticated, well, kind of Irish sophisticated, I guess if you wanna call it that. Some more ice. A wipe. Here we go.
Shake it up, shake it up. 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 Shake it up, shake it up.
And then I need a glass. I don't want an overly large glass. I'm gonna try this glass. It's a small glass. And this one, I am going to, if I can find it, I'm gonna double strain this one. I need some ice. I don't have any more ice, so I'm gonna put it. I don't know if that's gonna fit in there. Nope. A couple more cubes, sorry. Unprepared as usual. Garnish it with a little lime, since we have lime in the drink and lime is green, right? I really think that's all we need. I don't even know that that needs anything else, but we'll put a little straw in there. And there you have it, friends. Our third drink to help us continue the party for St. Patrick's Day, the Emerald Crush. All right, gang, 3 more drinks to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. And St. Patrick's Day, I think, is going to be fun this year. Winter around here has been as cold as it's been in, God, several years. So people are ready to break out, and I think St. Patrick's Day might just be the time to do it. But please do it responsibly. And hey, while you're at it and being responsible, do the responsible thing. Subscribe to the Grantham Pub Underground. We have a great time here, as you can see. And you know, like the video, share the video. Thumbs up helps us a lot, sharing helps us a lot, and we will continue to have some more great times right here at the Underground. And with that being said, it's time for ready, drink. I'm gonna try them in the order that I made them, if I can remember what it was. Okay, the Irish apple. Cheers, Slainte, happy St. Patrick's Day. Delicious. I mean, I have no comment. It's appley. It's a little sweet. That's gonna, well, because the apple's sweet, and then it's gonna depend on what ginger ale you use. That would probably even be good with ginger beer. So let's try this one, the Irish Gold. Peach and orange juice and ginger ale. Because all this, I mean, Peaches and ginger go well together. Peaches and oranges go well together. Orange and ginger, you can see why not. And then Irish whiskey. Delicious, delicious. Wow, we're killing it here this year on St. Patrick's Day. And then finally, our little kiwi creation, not my creation, the Emerald Crush. Slainte one more time. It's nice. Again, this one is going to depend on how sweet and how ripe your kiwi are. Mine was so-so, but that's a little more tart than it is sweet. But if you have a super ripe kiwi, or even maybe an overripe kiwi, bordering on the gone too far kiwi, that's going to be a lot better, a lot sweeter. But hey, you do it. It's going to work for you. Regardless of what you use, it's going to be delicious, as are all these drinks. They're easy to make. You can with the exception of the kiwi, you could probably make it with everything you have right at the house already. We don't have to go shopping. That way you can stay in, be responsible, have a good time with your family and friends, and enjoy St. Patrick's Day just like we're going to do right here at the Underground. So with that being said, thank you for stopping by. I always have a good time when you're here. And until we meet together right here at the Grantham Pub Underground for more good time, fun, and festivity, I'll save a seat at the bar for you.